Welcome to today's review. In this video, we are exploring the brand new Jetour T2 2025, a premium 4x4 luxury SUV that combines rugged off-road ability with cutting-edge technology and first-class comfort. The Jetour T2 is the latest creation from Jetour, a brand under Chery Holding. It has been designed for drivers who want a capable adventure vehicle, but without sacrificing luxury, safety, and modern technology. With its bold, boxy silhouette and off-road inspired details, the T2 instantly stands out as a competitor to high-end SUVs such as the Land Rover Defender, yet at a far more competitive price point. From the outside, the Jetour T2 makes a powerful statement. Its design language is strong and purposeful. A square profile with muscular fenders. A large, upright grille with modern LED lighting. Rugged off-road touches such as skid plates, roof rails, and side steps. High ground clearance of around 220mm, and bold alloy wheels that enhance its stance. This combination of rugged styling and premium detailing ensures the T2 looks equally at home on city streets or out in the wilderness. Under the bonnet, the Jetour T2 offers a variety of powertrains. The 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine produces around 254 horsepower and 390 Nm of torque, paired with either a 7-speed dual-clutch or an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Advanced all-wheel drive system with multiple drive modes including normal, sport, snow, mud, and rock. Strong off-road geometry with an approach angle of 28 degrees, a departure angle of 30 degrees, and a weighting depth of up to 700mm. For those seeking electrification, Jetour also offers plug-in hybrid variants with dual and triple motor systems, delivering up to 455 kilowatts of combined power, an impressive 920 Nm of torque, and electric-only ranges of up to 161 kilometers depending on battery size. This means the T2 is not only powerful, but also flexible for urban efficiency and long-distance adventure. On the road, the T2 balances comfort with capability. The suspension has been tuned for stability and smoothness. Off-road, the vehicle's intelligent X Smart all-terrain system ensures maximum grip on difficult surfaces. For everyday use, the petrol version feels responsive and agile, while the plug-in hybrid adds refined silent driving with outstanding range. Step inside, and the Jetour T2 reveals its luxury credentials. A large 15.6-inch central touchscreen with advanced infotainment features. A 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster providing clear driving information. Premium 12-speaker Sony surround sound system for an immersive music experience. High-quality leather seats with electric adjustment, heating, and cooling functions. Panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and wireless charging pad. Advanced safety features including 360-degree panoramic cameras, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The cabin is spacious, comfortable, and filled with practical storage solutions, making it ideal for long journeys. The Jetour T2 measures approximately 4.79 meters in length with a wheelbase of 2.8 meters. This provides generous interior space for 5 passengers and a large boot capacity. A longer 7-seater, extended, version is also available, designed with an additional third row primarily for children or short trips. One of the strongest points of the Jetour T2 is its value. In markets such as the UAE, prices start around 144,000 dirhams and can reach up to 159,000 dirhams, depending on trim level. Considering the level of technology, luxury, and off-road capability on offer, this is a highly competitive price compared to rival premium SUVs. Early owners have praised the T2 for its striking design and commanding road presence, comfortable and quiet interior, excellent sound system and infotainment, strong off-road capability, especially in petrol AWD versions. Some drivers note that the plug-in hybrid feels heavier due to its additional battery weight, but they also appreciate the silent drive and extended range. The 2025 Jetour T2 is more than just a new SUV, it is a statement of how far Chinese automotive engineering has advanced. It combines rugged design, real off-road ability, advanced technology, and luxury comfort, all in a package that remains more affordable than traditional luxury competitors. If you are searching for a premium 4x4 that can handle both the daily commute and weekend adventures, the Jetour T2 deserves your attention. Thank you for watching this full review of the Jetour T2 2025 Premium 4x4 Luxury SUV. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews.